Hello students, welcome once again to my channel. Now we have another question over here. Now the question says that 4m minus 2 multiplying 3 plus 2m plus m into bracket 2m plus 4 being equal to 0, and obviously we are supposed to find the value of m. Now how do we find the value of m in this case, right? So now let's look at how to find the value of m. Now first of all, what we can do first is to expand this. So expanding that, we have 4m minus 2 multiplied what is in the bracket here. So 2 times 3 here gives us 6, minus 2 times 2m here gives us minus 4m in this case, plus m multiplied by that gives us 2m squared, m multiplied by that gives us plus 4m being equal to 0. So grouping items, we have 2m squared. Remember, we have 4m and then we have minus 4m, so this will get rid of that, and then we have plus m here, plus 4m, and then we have minus 6 here being equal to 0. So you can see that we have a quadratic equation over here. Now what can we do from here? So solving this quadratic equation, before we can solve that, we can actually reduce it, right? So we can multiply through by 2 in all. So 2 cancel that, 2 cancel that, gives us 2, 2 goes into that, gives us 3. So we have m squared plus 2m minus 3 being equal to 0 in this case. Now how do we find this? Now what we are going to do is that we have to find two numbers. When we multiply these two numbers, we should get negative 3. When we add these two numbers, we should get 2 in this case. So you can see that we have minus we can have 3 and then negative 1 in this case, because when I multiply 3 times negative 1, I should get negative 3. When I add them, I should get positive 2 in this case. So I'm going to factorize them into this side, 2m. So I'm going to get 3m, and then we have negative m, and I have my minus 3. So I just replace the 3 and then the negative 1 here with that of 2m. So you can see that 3m minus m here gives me back my 2m in this case. Now I've made it very simpler for us to factorize from here. So factorizing, we can just take this one out. So m outside we have, so then we have the plus, and then you realize that we are just left with 3 here. So in this place therefore becomes, let's bring negative 1 outside. So we have m plus 3. When we multiply through by negative, we are going to get this back, right? So this is what we are going to get from this side. Now from here, what are we getting? So we are getting m minus 1 here, and then we have m plus 3, m plus 3. So we only take one of it, then equals that to 0. Now what do we have here? So we take the first part, equate it to 0. We have m minus 1 being equal to 0. M becomes equals to 1 in the first place. Now the second part, m plus 2 equals to 0. Then m equals to, now it crosses, so become negative 2 in this case. So therefore we can conclude that m is equal to 1 or negative 2 in this case. So that's basically going to be the values of n in this case. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.